Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to install GTA 5 on your MacBook using CrossOver free. If you've never installed GTA 5 on your MacBook, don't worry, this video is for you. You can use CrossOver to download Windows games like GTA 5 and, when it's released, GTA 6 and other games on your MacBook. However, GTA 6 is still some time away. Until then, you can enjoy GTA 5. Some claims suggest that GTA 6 might require 150 to 200 gigabytes of storage, which could be playable on a MacBook with 512 gigabytes storage. If you download GTA 5 on CrossOver, you might encounter some bugs and glitches like small screen gameplay or the game not filling the entire screen. This video shows you how to fix these issues. To resolve these problems, you'll need to download two applications on your MacBook, CrossOver and Prefs Editor. Links to these applications are provided in the video description. You can also search for them on Google. Once you've downloaded them, follow the steps in the video to fix the glitches. If you find this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Having trouble playing GTA 5 on CrossOver? This video shows you how to fix common issues, like a small screen or the game not filling the screen. You'll need to download two apps, CrossOver and Prefs Editor. Follow the easy steps in the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So first, open Safari and search for CrossOver for Mac download on Google. Initially, obtain the 15-day free trial version from the CrossOver website. This will enable you to evaluate CrossOver's capabilities. Let me know if you have any other specific requirements or if you'd like me to rephrase it in a different way. Download Prefs Editor for Mac after downloading CrossOver. I already have CrossOver and I can show you how to use it for free. If you sing in CrossOver, you'll get a 15-day free trial. After that, you'll need to use the Prefs Editor. First, open Finder and click on Go. Hold down the Option key and select Library. Go to the Preferences folder and open the CrossOver file using a text editor. In this file, change the date to 14 days before the current date. You can now continue using CrossOver for free, as its free trial period has been extended. To buy GTA 5, you should go to Amazon and search for a Steam gift card. Once you purchase it, go to Steam and redeem the code to get the game. To buy GTA 5, you should go to Amazon and search for a Steam gift card. Once you purchase it, go to Steam and redeem the code to get the game. Downloading GTA 5 and CrossOver will consume around 120 gigabytes of your data. If you have limited mobile data like me, you can purchase 8 data packs for 49 rupees each. Each pack provides 25 gigabytes of data. Due to my slow internet, the download was paused temporarily. For the rest of the text, here's a breakdown of the issues and an improved version. After downloading CrossOver, you may encounter several issues, including a looping loading screen. To make GTA 5 full screen, you'll need to press Command and Return simultaneously. To close GTA 5, press Command and return again. Once the screen is minimized, press Command and space to open Spotlight. Search for Safari. This will bring the cursor out of the game. After opening Safari, you can then close.